Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of lehenga fashion of the gorgeous Tamanna Bhatia. The actress is often seen embracing traditional Indian motifs and intricate designs in her lehenga choices. She might opt for rich fabrics like silk or velvet adorned with traditional embroidery such as Zadozi or Gotapati work. Earthy tones or vibrant colors complement her radiant persona. While the beauty appreciates traditional aesthetics, she also experiments with contemporary elements in her lehenga ensembles. She might pair a classic lehenga skirt with a trendy blouse design, incorporating modern silhouettes or unconventional cuts. This fusion of traditional and contemporary elements adds a refreshing flair to her look. Accessories play a crucial role in her lehenga fashion. She often selects statement jewelry pieces like chokers, statement earrings, or intricately designed mangtikas to enhance her ensemble. Her choice of accessories complements the intricacies of her outfit while adding a touch of glamour. Tamanna isn't afraid to experiment with prints and patterns in her lehenga choices. Whether it's floral motifs, geometric patterns, or abstract designs, she effortlessly carries off diverse prints with grace and poise. She may opt for printed lehengas for daytime events or casual gatherings, showcasing her versatile fashion sense. While the actress often adorns elaborate ensembles, she also embraces minimalistic sophistication in her lehenga choices. She might opt for understated designs with clean lines and subtle embellishments, letting the elegance of the fabric and silhouette speak for itself. Neutral hues or pastel shades accentuate the simplicity and refinement of her look. For special occasions and red carpet events, the actress often gravitates towards lehengas embellished with regal accents. These may include intricate thread work, sequins, beads, and stones meticulously handcrafted onto luxurious fabrics like velvet or brocade. Such embellishments add opulence and grandeur to her attire, ensuring she stands out in the crowd with her majestic presence. She might opt for voluminous skirts with multiple layers of fabric, creating a sense of drama and movement as she walks. High-low hemlines, exaggerated flares, or asymmetrical cuts add an element of surprise to her ensemble, showcasing her bold and fearless approach to fashion. Drapery is another element that Tamanna skillfully incorporates into her lehenga fashion. She may opt for intricately draped dupattas or innovative cape-style overlays to add dimension and flair to her look. These draped accents not only enhance the overall aesthetic but also allow her to play with different textures and lengths, creating visually captivating ensembles. The actress often collaborates with renowned designers to create custom couture lehengas that perfectly embody her vision and style. These bespoke creations feature personalized details, unique embellishments, and impeccable craftsmanship, ensuring that she looks nothing short of stunning for every occasion. From traditional bridal wear to contemporary red carpet looks, her custom couture lehengas reflect her discerning taste and commitment to excellence. While traditional colors like red, gold, and maroon remain staples in her lehenga wardrobe, she also explores innovative color palettes to make a statement. She might experiment with unconventional hues like midnight blue, emerald green, or blush pink, infusing her ensembles with a refreshing vibrancy and modern allure. These unexpected color choices highlight her adventurous spirit and willingness to push fashion boundaries. The actress often gravitates towards lehengas adorned with artistic embroidery, showcasing intricate craftsmanship and attention to detail. She may opt for motifs inspired by nature, such as blooming flowers, graceful peacocks, or delicate vines, adding a whimsical charm to her ensemble. These handcrafted embellishments not only elevate the aesthetic appeal but also serve as a testament to her appreciation for traditional art forms. The actress demonstrates versatility in styling her lehengas, effortlessly transitioning from classic elegance to contemporary chic. She may choose to drape her dupatta in different ways, such as the traditional front pallu drape or the modern shoulder drape, depending on the occasion and her mood. This versatility allows her to reinvent her look while staying true to her signature style, making each appearance memorable and distinctive. The actress pays close attention to seasonal trends when selecting her lehenga ensembles. During the summer months, she might opt for lightweight fabrics like chiffon or georgette in soft pastel hues, ensuring comfort without compromising on style. In contrast, for winter events, she may embrace rich textures like velvet or brocade in deeper shades, exuding warmth and sophistication. By adapting her fashion choices to the changing seasons, she stays effortlessly chic all year round. The actress seamlessly blends cultural influences into her lehenga fashion, celebrating diversity and heritage. She may incorporate elements from different regions of India, such as the vibrant mirror work of Gujarat, the intricate kantha embroidery of West Bengal, or the rich Banarasi weave of Uttar Pradesh. This cultural fusion not only adds depth and richness to her ensembles but also pays homage to India's diverse sartorial traditions. In line with her commitment to sustainability, the beauty embraces eco-friendly fashion choices in her lehenga wardrobe. She may opt for lehengas crafted from organic fabrics, recycled materials, or handloom textiles, supporting ethical practices and reducing environmental impact. By promoting sustainable chic, she sets an example for conscious consumption in the fashion industry, proving that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. She often gravitates towards fabrics with interesting textures, such as raw silk, jacquard, or organza, to add depth and dimension to her ensembles. The actress frequently experiments with statement blouses to complement her lehenga skirts. She may opt for intricately embellished or heavily embroidered blouses with unique neckline designs, back details, or sleeve styles, adding a touch of drama and sophistication to her overall look. She may layer a lehenga skirt over a voluminous underskirt or pair it with a contrasting jacket or cape, creating a striking visual impact. Layering adds depth and complexity to her outfit, allowing her to showcase her fashion-forward sensibilities while exuding elegance and grace. Tamanna often opts for lehengas with customized embellishments that reflect her unique personality and style preferences. She may collaborate with designers to create bespoke motifs, embroideries, or embellishments that hold personal significance or convey a particular theme or message. Customized embellishments add a personalized touch to her lehenga ensembles, ensuring that each outfit tells a story and resonates with her individuality. The actress embraces fashion trends and innovative designs. She also appreciates timeless classics in her lehenga choices. She may opt for traditional silhouettes, motifs, or color combinations that have stood the test of time, exuding timeless elegance and sophistication. Timeless classics allow her to channel the timeless beauty of Indian heritage while staying relevant and fashionable in the ever-evolving world of fashion. The actress often draws inspiration from different regions of India when selecting her lehenga ensembles. She might opt for lehengas featuring traditional motifs and techniques specific to a particular region, such as the intricate mirror work of Rajasthan, the vibrant Bandhani tie-dye of Gujarat, or the ornate temple borders of South India. By incorporating regional inspirations into her fashion choices, she pays homage to India's diverse cultural heritage while showcasing her appreciation for traditional craftsmanship. The actress is no stranger to dazzle and sparkle in her lehenga fashion choices. She frequently selects lehengas adorned with dazzling embellishments such as sequins, crystals, and metallic accents, adding a touch of glamour and opulence to her ensemble. Whether it's subtle shimmer or full-blown sparkle, she knows how to command attention and light up any event with her radiant presence. In addition to intricate embroidery and embellishments, the actress also embraces playful prints in her lehenga choices. She might opt for lehengas featuring whimsical prints such as polka dots, stripes, or geometric patterns, injecting a sense of fun and youthfulness into her ensemble. Playful prints allow her to showcase her vibrant personality and playful charm while making a bold fashion statement. Tamanna isn't afraid to push the boundaries of traditional lehenga silhouettes with modern drapes and cuts. She might experiment with contemporary draping styles such as the dhoti drape, pant-style lehengas, or high-low hemlines, adding a modern twist to her ethnic attire. And there you have it, Tamanna Bhatia's lehenga fashion decoded for you. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.